Once you've logged into your GoldPASS account, you'll want to upload your first resume. You can upload your resume by clicking on the circle profile icon in the upper right-hand corner and selecting Documents from the drop-down menu. You can upload documents from your computer as long as it's a PDF or a Word document. Once you've selected your resume, you can change how the document name will appear on your profile by editing it here. After uploading your first document, it will be reviewed by Career Services staff, which will generally take 1 to 2 business days. You cannot use a pending resume to apply for opportunities on GoldPASS, so plan ahead to make sure you have enough time for your resume to be reviewed and approved before you apply. Once your resume has been approved, you can upload as many documents as you'd like, such as more resumes, cover letters, or writing samples. You can find resume samples or guides on the CLA Career Services website.